No, no, no. Don't tell me that.
Babe, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I don't get it. What do you mean you're not ready for us to go back for our
Are
honeymoon?
you tired of everything? The stress, the rushing these past few days, planning, moving around for Anne's wedding?
You know I wasn't even in support of this in the first place. I knew it was going to end like this.
Really? That's what you have to say to someone who showed up for you on your own big
Look,
day?
babe, I don't want to get mad at you. Just pack your bags. We're leaving Cape Town today.
Wait, what? I still need to rest. Just a little. And enjoy this place, the beauty, the calm, everything.
So what about our honeymoon?
We can continue it here, in Cape Town, don't you think?
This wasn't the plan. I knew it would end this way. I'm out of here.
Wait, babe, where are you going?